Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Not going to keep you long today, going to make a really easy chicken salad. So I've got some chicken here, roast chicken left over. So I always like to make a little salad with it. So what I've done is I've just peeled it from the bone, shredded it just with my hand. And then I've got tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, celery and onion. And you can see they're roughly about the same. Going to make a really simple dressing, equal parts of olive oil, lemon juice, and a nice tablespoon of a Dijon mustard, bit of salt and pepper, that's about it. Might add a little bit of cilantro or coriander, super easy. So little bowl, put the olive oil in, and I go equal amounts of lemon juice to oil, and if you wanted you could use vinegar I suppose, no problem. Little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper, we'll get that Dijon in there, nice and mild, nothing too crazy. If you want it hot, then go for the English mustard. That's much hotter. Gonna give that a little mix. Maybe a slice or two of garlic in there if you fancied it. I'm good, just like that. Let's move on. Okay, the dressing's done. Mixing bowl, there's my chicken. Then I'm going tomato, cucumber, bell peppers, white onion, you could use like a green or a spring onion if you wanted, and celery. They're, like I say, all roughly equal parts. And to be honest, you can do whatever you like, can't you really? You can adjust it how you want. Little tiny bit of cilantro or fresh coriander. Then I'm gonna drop in that nice easy vinaigrette. I'm going to give that a mix and I'll see you in about a minute or so. And there you go, could not be easier. Fresh chili, maybe a bit of cumin powder, olives, a couple of anchovies in there, some sweet corn, anything goes, doesn't it? But yeah, nice little salad. Or a nice little lunch for kind of the next day after you've had a roast chicken. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Say hi in the comments. We do like to hear from you. We hope you're well. We hope you're safe. We will see you soon. Lots of love.